Tired of manually entering every single transaction into your budget? Wish there was an easier way to track your spending? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of YNAB, You Need a Budget, and exploring which banks seamlessly connect with this powerful budgeting tool. YNAB is a game changer when it comes to taking control of your finances. But its true power shines when you can directly import your transactions. This eliminates the tedious data entry and gives you a real-time view of your spending. But here's the burning question: which banks actually play nice with YNAB? Let's find out. YNAB supports a wide range of financial institutions, but it's constantly evolving. New connections are added regularly, so it's crucial to check the latest updates on their official website. Generally, YNAB excels at connecting with major U.S. banks. Think giants like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Citibank. Credit unions. Many popular credit unions across the U.S. are also compatible. Online banks. Digital banks like Chime, Ally, and Simple often integrate seamlessly. However, it's important to note that international banks, if you're based outside the U.S., your bank's compatibility might be limited. Smaller local banks, smaller regional banks, or credit unions might not have a direct connection. So, how do you know if your bank works with YNAB? Check the YNAB website. The most reliable way is to visit the official YNAB website. They maintain an updated list of supported financial institutions. Use the YNAB Connection Checker. Many users swear by the YNAB Connection Checker. This handy tool helps you quickly determine if your bank is compatible. Why is direct import such a big deal? Time saving. Say goodbye to manual entry. Direct import automates the process, freeing up your time for more important things. Accuracy. Fewer manual entries mean fewer errors. This ensures your budget reflects your actual spending accurately. Real-time updates. Your budget stays up to date, giving you a clear picture of your financial situation at all times. To ensure a smooth connection, enable online banking. Make sure you have online banking access with your bank. Check your bank's security settings. Some banks may require you to enable two-factor authentication for third-party app connections. Follow YNAB's instructions. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions within the YNAB app when connecting your bank account. What if your bank doesn't directly connect with YNAB? Don't worry, there are workarounds. Manual entry. While time-consuming, you can always manually enter your transactions. CSV upload. Some banks allow you to export your transaction history as a CSV file. You can then import this file into YNAB. Direct import is a powerful feature that can significantly enhance your YNAB experience. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.